Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an MyVQ or VQ Monty Radio, Bluetooth wireless radio, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this radio not connecting to your devices, or if it's not syncing, or if it seems to be lagging and not responding, or not working in any way, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. You'll need to set everything up again because everything will be wiped off of it and it will be like it was when it came out of the box. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you're selling it or you're buying a used one or just whatever reason you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box new, we can do that quite simply. All we need to do is make sure that it is on, and then with it on, we're going to come in, we're going to hit the menu button. Once that we open the menu, we're going to use these arrows on either side of the display to toggle over to the reset button, onto the reset option, and then we're going to hit the OK. Once we see reset up here, we'll hit OK. And then all we have to do after that is use the arrows to toggle from the no to the yes to confirm it. And once we have the yes highlighted, we'll hit OK to confirm. And at that point, the radio will reset and it will actually turn off and turn back on or reboot to its factory default settings.